In this video, I will be showing you how to uninstall and remove the game from your Steam library. So let's get started. So just come inside your Steam homepage, and to the leftmost top we'll be having the library option. Click here, and to the left we'll be having the list of games that we have installed in our system. Now to uninstall it, just right click on the game that you want to uninstall. So I want to uninstall this game, so I will just right click, and here I'm having an option to play, which means that it has been still installed on our system. Go to manage, and here we can see the option uninstall. Click it. This will give us a pop-up warning. Just click on uninstall. As you can see here, it's saying uninstalling, so just be patient. It will be still over here, but it would have been completely removed from our system. So if I right click now, as you can see, I'm having the install option, which means it has been completely uninstalled from the system. If you click on install, it's going to download the entire size of the file. And now you go to manage, we won't be having the uninstall option at all because it has been uninstalled already. If you want to remove this game from your account, you can simply click this remove from account. This will completely detach this game from your account. You need to again purchase this game to play it again. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools.